In this video, I'll show you how to use bonus in 888 stars. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to use your bonus in 8 stars, here's what to do. So for instance, if you use the code that I just shared with you guys and get the first deposit bonus, this is what to do to use it. You go over to your history or to your birth slip here, go over to history and you're going to see something that says all accounts, and you click on all accounts. You're going to see two accounts. There is the main account and the bonus account. The bonus account is the money from your bonus or first deposit bonus. So you click on that account and then you can use the account to place bet. So any bet that you place right now is going to be considered from that bonus account, and that's how to use bonus in 888 stars.